sevele wayithengela iringi guys. Mpumi sevele wayithengela iringi wathengana noGabriel wathi nje mina now we are engaged. Hayibo usemathandweni ugele. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 16th to the 20th of March 2026 on Monday. A daughter chases answers. Unaware of the lies and schemes swirling around her, a mother catches a ruthless plan to rid her world of a rival once and for all on Tuesday. An unpredictable man goes all out to show the love of his life that their love carries hope, while Mpumi's dreams of white wedding dresses flying in the sky. Ishmael's guilty is killing Fisto's vibe on Wednesday. A secret recording session turns dangerously intimate. Gabriel pushes too hard, and Felicia threatened to cut him off for good. Meanwhile, Nandepa leaves Fisto's world in turmoil on Thursday. Mpumi's effort to step up stare her off her crown. Felicia's main prayer is answered. Fisto suffers from Nandi's delusions about their relationship on Friday. Thandi moves in the shadows with an offer too dazzling for Maruna to ignore. Okay guys, uThandi uzofika ke ne offer and Maruna kuzoba nzima ukuthi ke I ignore, because uFelicia guys uzama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ke athi get rid of ke uMaruna, while Gabriel delivers a blow that cuts Mpumi to the bone. At the rooftop, Ishmael's voice carries a serenade that leaves Nomuhle unguarded. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.